Hello everyone! Here, we present a new tutorial for the brand new AI board from System Electronics, Astrial. Canbus is a powerful communication protocol designed for real-time, high-speed data exchange between multiple devices. Originally developed for automotive applications, Canbus is now used in a wide range of industries due to its reliability, simplicity, and ability to handle complex systems with minimal wiring. In this video, we'll break down what Canbus is, how it works, and explore how to use to let two Astrial communicate. Let's first take a look at the materials you'll need. 2 Astrial boards, 2 CM4 carriers. We used a Raspberry Pi CM4IO board and a WaveShare CM4IO base A, but you can use 2 of the same type if you want. 1 CanFD 3-click, 1 WaveShare RS485 CanHat B, and 10 female-to-female jumper wires. Once you have all of these ready, let's jump into the hardware setup. First, make sure that the CanFD 3-click is set to use 3.3 volts. To do this, you need to desolder the 0-ohm resistor from the CanFD 3-click VIO cell 5 volts and solder it on 3V3 as shown here. Then, on the first Astrial, connect the CanHat to the GPIO header of the carrier board. On the second Astrial, connect the CanFD 3-click as shown here to make use of Astrial's integrated Can controller. Connect the 7 jumpers needed first to the GPIO pins and then to the FD 3-click. Now you can connect the port of the CanHat on the first Astrial to the CanFD 3-click of the second one as shown. First, connect the 3 jumpers to the CanHat and then to the serial port of the FD 3-click. Once the hardware is set up, we can move on to the software part. First of all, copy the entire folder of this tutorial on the Astrial with the CanHat using the SCP tool. This folder contains the example script, as well as a custom version of the CanHat library that works with Astrial. Then, connect to both Astrial boards via SSH. Make sure to replace the IP addresses with the correct IP addresses of your boards. On the CanFD 3-click Astrial, you will need to establish a Can link. And to do that, we will need to write this command. Then, install on the CanHat Astrial SpyDev, a Python library that is required to communicate with the hat. With everything set up, you're now ready to run the example Python script. Simply go into the folder and execute the Python script that keeps sending Can messages. Now, on the other Astrial, you can use the candump command to see the incoming messages. Now, we can do vice versa, launching the cangen command to keep sending messages on the board with the FD 3-click and running the listen example on the Astrial with the hat. And that's it! You've successfully communicated between 2 Astrial boards using Can protocol with both the Astrial's Can controller and the WaveShare CanHat.